Krista Schaefer here, landscape architect with the Wisconsin Department of Transportation. I am on site on the I-3990 expansion project in south central Wisconsin. This project has been planting many acres of native prairie areas. As you can see behind me, based off of this sign that we've installed, we're referring to them as the Prairie Stewardship areas, and these little signs identify them as no spray and no mow areas. As I step off to the side so you can get a better look, you can see down there's trees and it looks pretty green, like maybe it's just your backyard and your lawn. This is the first year's growth of the prairie planting, so there isn't a whole lot to see. And as one of the management activities, they've recently mowed the area to keep down weed competition. With prairies like this, it takes 3 to 5 years of management to get them up and running to that picturesque prairie with lots of flowers. And soon enough, though, we will have a prairie with many flowering different kinds of native flowers at different times of the year. And these flowering flowers are what provide a food resource for the pollinator and benefit the pollinator health. Along in this seed mix, we've also planted some special flowers specific to the life cycle of the monarch butterfly. So this mix has included marsh milkweed, butterfly milkweed, and common milkweed. You can't see any of it from here, but on my trip down there checking out all the different plants, I did find a common milkweed with a cute little baby monarch caterpillar on it. So it's pretty exciting because even in the midst of not too many flowers, it's still doing its job. This prairie and many more that we're planting along this corridor and other areas of the state is just one thing that the Department of Transportation is doing to contribute to the pollinator health.